So Keenan's feeling better. He thinks he needs ice cream. Making a freaking mess everywhere.
Wait, did you tell them I was sick or something?
No, Keenan puked the other day. Or
Sunday.
Ralph.
Yeah.
I was hacking too.
Well, he only puked once.
I don't know you're talking.
I had diarrhea a few times.
Wait. We don't have to talk about that.
It's true.
You were sick though. Now he's eating ice cream.
I feel fine. I'm just cold.
Well, and he's wearing shorts. It's like 30 degrees. Why are you wearing shorts?
It was like 40 degrees this
To get from
morning.
school, you're wearing shorts, and you were just sick. And now you're eating ice cream and you're cold.
Yeah. I'm weird.
That make any sense? Can't believe it.
This is weird. Wow.
So now he's gonna go home and play basketball outside in the rain, I'm sure.
No, I'm not. I'm not stupid.
I was wanting to play today actually, but it's been
I know.
raining. I didn't know it was gonna rain.
Stupid brain.
Oh, there
Woohoo.
Alright.
I'm on the way home.
On the way home.
We are on the way home. Like, we're literally 5 minutes away. I have something.
So Keenan had 13 points or 15. You were the high scorer the other day.
13 or 15, something like that. And we
Your best
won.
game
We
ever.
won 36-24.
Win your first game. And what? You have another game this Saturday?
Nope.
Yeah, you do.
I do?
Yeah.
I do?
You have a game Saturday.
I didn't know that.
And then you're off for like 2 or 3 weeks. At least 2.
So
For
I
Christmas
have a game during Christmas break.
No, you don't. I'm saying.
Yeah?
I'll look at your schedule.
Oh, this Saturday, not next
Yeah, this
Saturday.
Saturday. Also, if you do the same thing, just drive into the basket, drive to the
I probably
goal.
will. I'm just not gonna do that random shot like I did. Yeah, I made this crazy random shot. That's weird. I should have got fouled because I was trying to draw foul, but I just like literally chucked the ball in the air and I swished it.
That's just talent right there.
And I can't really make jump shots in a game, but I actually made one this time.
Hey, why don't you get the medal since we're here?
God.
You don't have to walk in the rain. Sounds like a good idea. You're
Let's go back.
gonna reach?
Yeah, bro. Of course I am.
Oh, this car's in behind me. You can't reach, Keenan.
Bro,
Oh, wait, I didn't get close enough. All right, let me pull up.
You gotta get close
I
enough.
think it'd take 10 minutes to get medals. Open the door and get out.
Oh my god.
What? You're the one wearing shorts and you chose to.
There's nothing in here. It's just a 2015 lease on the healthcare directory.
It's nothing new, but it might be something for me. What? The mailbox is still open. Why don't you shut the door? It's gonna rain or snow in there.
I'm dumb. Huh?
No, I didn't say that.
We just got to the hotel. Was it a long drive?
I like cat in the world.
What did you see?
A cat in the world.
Why is there a cow in the road?
And a two cats in the world.
Do we say go home, cow?
Yep.
That's no good, huh?
Oh yeah. Basically. What? I'm a koala. Actually, I'm a koala.
You're a gorilla.
No, he's a koala.
Oh,
I'm
he's a gorilla. Look at you. Messy face.
Look, he got yours and
Let me see him. Whoa. Is he happy?
No, I mean, wait.
What's on your face? Wait.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Wait. Did you steal my chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Braxton, one of your eyes looks pink. Do you have pink eye?
No, I will have your eyes.
I know, but okay, never mind. You have blue eyes, but I think this one might be pink.
Yes, it is.
Do you have pink eye?
Yeah.
I don't know. Something. Let me look at it. It looks kind of pink.
This is a giant pink eye.
I hope you don't have pink eye. That would stink.
It's not sticky. My beard's snaky.
What? Would that stink if you had pink eye?
6, 7.
Don't yell. People are sleeping next to us. It's late.
It's not late.
It is late. It's bedtime.
It's not bedtime.
It's so bedtime.
It's not bedtime.
Bed,
Bedtime.
bath,
Bedtime.
book, and bed. Bath, book, and bed. Say good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow. Hey. Pink eye.
What?
I think cars.
Max, what are you doing down there?
Pink
Are you breaking into the safe?
cars.
These your buttons?
I want to.
We're going to put money in there.
Ready? No, here. There's a hole in it. I don't have a hole. I don't have a hole.
Hole? Why would it need a hole?
No, I have a hole.
Braxton, do you have a red eye?
No, pink eye.
Pink eye? He said pink now. Did we almost see the beast in the road tonight?
I know it. I know.
Was it a longhorn? Beast with horns?
No.
Yes.
No. Hi, horns.
Ah.
Hi. Look at Walmart.
What?
Look at Walmart.
We're a long ways from home.
Yes.
4 hours.
4 hours to go bed.
4 hours.
4 hours to go bed.
We had a long drive. You get ready for bed?
Yep.
Alright, good night.
No, 9. No, 9.
What are you watching up there? It's the biggest Chuggington. It's the biggest Chuggington screen we've ever seen. Braxton, is that cool? Huh? Is that cool?
Oh, here he comes. Are you leaving?
Is that him?
Yes, no.
We're leaving. He's not going.
Yes.
He's gonna stay there.
No.
What's wrong?
What happened? Braxton, what's wrong? Take out your passy so I can hear you. You don't want to leave him? You don't? Okay. Bye, Maddox. He's gone. Braxton, look at Maddox's seat. Look at his seat. Is he in his seat? Look! He's right here. He's in his seat. We wouldn't leave Maddox. We didn't leave him. He's in his seat, silly. He's sleeping. You got his hand? Oh. Are you a good big brother? Yeah. Oh.
Are you ready?
Left or right?
Left. What? Huh? What? Whoa. doing it. Hey, Maddox. It's snowing. What? Yeah. Where? Hey. Are you a great wolf? Are you a great wolfie? Huh? Oh gosh. He's yelling. Maddox. Hey. Uh-oh. Whoa. Carry on. Hey. You're fun. He's screaming. Whoa. There we go. There you go. All right. Touchdown. Whoa. Max, it's snowing. Say hi to
Braxton, go say hi to the wolf. It's the wolf's girlfriend, Violet. Go sit there by him. It's Violet.
This is a special deal. Braxton, go give her 5.
Oh, with the tail. Braxton, go say hi. It's a wolf. Probably needs to be changed too.
Hi, Leslie.
Alright, I gotta go back down. Bye, guys.
Oh, and 5. Good job. All right, let's let the other kids play.
Max is running. No. Oh, he gave her a hug. Did you see Max get on his knees and take off? Hey, Braxton. Hey. What is that, What is that, Maddox? What is that? The bear?
Gingerbread house?
What is it? Maddox. Oh! Everything. Shot. Good. Ashley, good job. Go in. Good job, Keenan. Good. Oh, good pass.
Game, take us out, Game.
1, 2, 3, Warriors!